So today I'm doing school supplies because school's starting in a couple days, so I have to do something school related. I just thought of it, but I made a little list right here because I'd forget everything, and I'm probably leaving stuff out of it. But yeah, school supplies for 6th through 8th grade because I don't know what high schoolers need because I'm not in high school quite yet, but I will be next year. So some of the school supplies you're gonna need are like some pencils, of course, so you gotta write with something. But I don't use the wooden pencils. Okay, that's my dog. I don't use the wooden pencils because, well, one, if they break, teacher, can I go get up and sharpen? No. Okay. So I use the mechanical pencils. Also, because mechanical pencils, they help me write smaller and neater. I don't know why, they just do, so I use those. You're probably going to need about 3 3-ring binders, between 1.5 to 3 inches. That's what I needed. I need about 3 of them, because I had to have a separate one for pre-algebra, and I had to have a 3-inch one for that. Then my science and social studies, they shared one. No, they didn't. My ELA and social studies shared one, and my science had a separate one. So, yeah. And you're gonna need colored pencils. No crayons. But at my school, they won't let you use crayons, because they say crayons are for babies, and yeah. So you can't use crayons. I like crayons, though. And you might need some pens, like if your teachers let you write in pen. But no red, because most teachers, they check in red, so no red. They normally recommend black or blue, but if they let you have any other colored pens, I could use those, because I used like hot pink and orange and stuff last year. And you're going to need a highlighter, of course. And I don't know if your schools will let you, but our teachers recommend Expo marker too. I don't know why, but they do. So, and this was also on the list I saw at Walmart. You might need glue, like glue sticks, but most teachers have them in the classroom for you. So, I mean, yeah. You know those like rectangular. I'm trying to make my fingers a rectangle. It's not working too good. But those rectangular, like, thick pink erasers, they had that on the list. I don't know why, but they had that on the list for my school. I don't know if you guys will need them, but I'd recommend it. And you're going to need tabs, like tab dividers for your binders or whatever. You're going to need those. And most people, they like to use, like, sticky notes or something, like to write down their homework or something. So I put down sticky notes. And you might need a ruler or a protractor, but most teachers have those. But I would recommend like getting one just in case they expect you to bring your own. And of course you're gonna need paper. College ruled or wide ruled. You know, none of that blank crap. Of course you're gonna need lined paper. But I use wide ruled because if the teacher tells you to write a paper, you don't have to write as much, and you can write as big as you want. So, I mean. And graph paper. Math classes, they probably want you to bring graph paper. And folders, like different colored folders, like red, orange, not orange, like red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. You're probably going to need those. But I think I have an orange and pink one too. I mean, like, I have like 10 folders, because I put like 4 or 5 in this one, 4 or 5 in that one, yeah. But yeah. And if your teachers ask for crayons, then bring those, I guess. I keep seeing something like right there. Now I'm seeing things, but I'm like in like my kitchen. See, there's my, well, that's the recliner in that room, right? That room. See it? That room right there. That's the laundry room, but you can see a refrigerator. And way, way back there, right there, like where my thumb is, like right there, that's like the hallway, and this is the kitchen. And I'm sitting at the bar, or whatever you want to call it, the little island thing. But yeah, so there's, and I don't know why I didn't write this down. You're probably going to want a book bag. I mean, I don't know why I didn't write that down. But, yeah. Like I said, this is for 6th through 8th graders. And if you want to put stuff in your locker, like a mirror and a table and stuff, that's okay. Because I put one of those tables in it, and I put a mirror on my door. Then I have like a holder on the table that I put like pencils and stuff in. So I would recommend that. And for your textbooks, you can put covers on them, but my mom, like, she won't buy me covers. She said it wastes money, so I don't use covers. Plus, I'd forget which book is which, and I'll probably end up taking my science book to math. But yeah, it's the list. It's all crooked and sloppy and ugh. Trust me, I can write a whole lot better than that. But yeah. And I didn't mention this at the beginning, but like, if you're at school, then you see some kid drop their books or something, don't walk away and laugh at them. You gotta help them up or something. I'm sorry, I just had to say that. See? Kind of crooked and backwards, but I write a whole lot neater than I did on that one time. But yep, that was my little tip I had to give. So yeah, and later on I'll probably do a video on what I'm wearing the first day of school and how I'm wearing I'm probably gonna wear my hair like this on the first day of school. Got my little messy bun somewhat, yeah. And my bangs all clipped up and stuff. I'm probably gonna wear my hair like this and probably some makeup or something, and yeah. But I'll probably make a video on that later. Like maybe later on today or something, I don't know. It depends. Because I'm not allowed to take the computer back in my room anymore. But that's all I had to say. And hope you guys have an awesome school year. Or rest of the summer. Some of you might have a week left. Some of you might have a day left, like me. Today's Saturday. School starts on Monday. That's bad. But I'm looking forward to it because I miss all my friends. So, yeah. Well, hope you guys have a nice rest of the summer. And I'll get back with you whenever I can. Okay?